Hello and welcome. I'm glad you've joined me today. I'm Karen, thismainermom. Today I have some meal plan inspiration. I have a meal plan, a grocery haul for the meal plan, and then a refrigerator clean out. Now, I have to say that refrigerator did not get cleaned out until the day after I brought the groceries home, so the fridge was nice and full, not the way you normally want to do it. But things don't always go the way we plan. I've been really struggling to do meal plans through the summer, but now that fall's come, I'm really trying to crack down and get myself organized because we've got all kinds of activities going on with 8 people living here. So I hope you find some inspiration and encouragement and maybe even some meal plan ideas. Here we go. For lunch on Sunday, we're having burrito bowls, and for supper, we're having polenta and meatballs. Then on Monday, for lunch, I'm having everyone make their own, kind of scrounge around, see what they can find. And for supper, we're having zuppa toscana soup and rolls. On Tuesday, for lunch, we're having frozen pizza. We have cheese pizza and pepperoni pizza. And for supper, we're having cheeseburgers and tater tots. On Wednesday, we're having nachos, and we put chicken on them, and we also make guacamole. And for supper, we're having chicken curry, rice, and corn. On Thursday, we're going to be having a Cobb salad for lunch, and for supper, we'll have stuffed shells. Then on Friday, we'll have Chinese noodle soup that has vegetables in it, broccoli and carrots and Chinese cabbage. And then for supper, we're having baked potato casserole. Into the grocery haul we go. I have a large bag of mozzarella shreds, a block of mozzarella cheese for me since I'm on keto, dairy-free Daya mozzarella for my daughter who can't have dairy, coffee creamer, French vanilla, whole milk, heavy whipping cream, sour cream, cream cheese, real butter, and 2 dozen eggs. For meat, I have a large package of chicken breasts and then 2 boxes of the Brown and Serve sausage, 2 large family packs of ground beef. I have 2 pork loins that will be for 1 meal, 1 package of the hot and spicy sausage, Hormel bacon, 2 pounds of the maple bacon that the kids love, and then 1 package of turkey bacon. And then for frozen, I have some crispy crowns sitting here that got separated from the frozen foods. And then in the back beside it, you can see the frozen chicken breasts. For produce, I have a bag of clementines, a bag of yellow onions, a 5-pound bag of potatoes covering a bag of avocados, 2 bunches of bananas that were on sale, and some European cucumbers. I don't have much pasta, but I do have a box of elbows, a box of rotini, and a box of penne. And then I have a jar of tomato sauce. This is a new kind that I'm trying for a lasagna soup recipe I plan to make. I needed a lot of broth this week, so I bought 5 boxes of chicken broth and 2 boxes of beef broth. Now we have a jar of pickles, dill pickles, that I love to put in my salad. And if you've never tried oil and dill pickle for dressing on your salad, you're missing out. Then I have my caramel custard K-Cups, those are my favorite, and a bag of decaf coffee for my older son, 2 cans of niblet corn. We didn't need a lot of vegetables this week. 3 cans of diced tomatoes, and then 2 cans of organic black beans. For our burrito bowls we're having, tomorrow we have 2 cans of black olives, 1 of refried beans, the taco seasoning, and cheese dip. Also for the burrito bowls, I have 3 bags of Tostitos scoops. I have a bag of jasmine rice. Then for snacks, I got 1 of the fruit and grain cereal bars, 1 box of granola bars, and then in the back here, I have a bag of the individual snack-sized Doritos. And then for an easy lunch for one day during the week, I bought these frozen pizzas. And yes, all 3 were for 1 meal because 6 kids. And then the top one, my son is taking some college classes, so he'll come home late and have those. And then for breakfast, I got 2 boxes of frozen pancakes. Egg McMuffins, I got some English muffins. And then I bought a loaf of bread for grilled cheese sandwiches. For non-food, we have Secret deodorant, 2 packages of liquid soap, paper towels. I have a box of trash bags, just the store brand, some wood cleaner, which we use very quickly here. Lots of wood. At Dollar General, I got myself a face mask to use when I'm done with food prep, and then I found this really cute tea towel that is for fall, and it has the word gather, which is a word I've been very, very attracted to. Now let's get on with cleaning that fridge. As I said in the intro, that refrigerator is packed, so I'm getting everything out and put on the island. Actually, what I'm doing is I'm taking this kind of section by section, so I'm doing the middle section right now, and I'll do that and get it clean and get the stuff packed in it again, and then I'll go to another section.
Keeping words safe in my heart, I can never say that, but I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. It's scary to give in, but somehow love always wins. But then I'm lonely, and my mind doesn't understand. I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most when I'm lonely. You know I miss you the most.
Those bottom drawers in my refrigerator where I keep vegetables get so dirty.
You know I miss you the most.
You're going to see some YouTube magic. Those drawers are back in the refrigerator thanks to my husband. So you see in that bottom left drawer, I have my purple cabbage, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and Chinese cabbage. And then the lettuce goes on top, nice and full. And then in the right-hand side, I have some bell peppers and some onions that have already been sliced into, a tomato, green onions, and our ripe avocados. This slow-mo is brought to you by whoever decided to put an empty bag back into the refrigerator. Can anyone else relate to empty containers and bags put back after people empty them? Just wondering. Let me know in the comments below.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. Dance, 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 yeah. Dance, yeah. Baby. Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan, we'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
And ta-da! There she is, all nice and clean again and organized. If you like this video, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell notification. And I hope I see you next time. Bye!